Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. Today we are going to repaste this colorful laptop. As I was experiencing a lot of thermal throttling and high temperatures during gaming. Actually, I've already cleaned the old thermal paste. Make sure to use a dry cloth or an old toothbrush so that you may not short circuit the motherboard. Okay, so let's open this 10 on 10 battery up. Now here again, make sure that you remove these imposter screws before ripping your panel apart. I already cleaned the laptop old paste a day ago, so I just inserted this as a reference scene. Now let's say this sticker goodbye and place it somewhere carefully because you need to reapply it again. Seems alright. You need to open all the screws according to the numbers written on the panel, and at last there is this 11th screw, but first we need to disconnect the battery. Remove all the screws on battery. Gently pull out the pin. Clear the goofy dust webs out using a brush. Now open heatsink panel screws. Disconnect both fan pins from both sides before opening it. This is how RTX 4050 and Intel i5 looks like from inside. Look at those overheating burn marks on the heatsink, they just changing the copper color. And there are thermal pads already on the heatsink for proper heat radiation. Will it boot? You can clearly see the difference between E-cores and P-cores. The smaller ones are E-cores and the bigger ones are P-cores, and there is out RTX 4050 with GPU processor along with Samsung VRAM. Let's create some mess with thermal paste. I am using silicon based because it was available in local market. I am applying so much because I am not going to open it again. Put back the seal back. Now here comes the moment of truth. Will it boot? Seems alright. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more awesome and informative videos regarding this laptop. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye.